Assalamu alaikum dear aspirants. CSS 2023 current affairs question number 5. Discuss the project idea China-Pakistan economic corridor CPEC, which is the great leap forward of economic regionalization in the globalized world. Explain its potential advantages, challenges and future prospects. So before discuss before discussing the answer, I will request you question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 इन सब के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक हैं। इसके अलावा CSS 2023 के दूसरे सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस भी यहाँ पर डिस्कस किए हुए हैं, तो आप वहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक में जाके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। अब हम आंसर की तरफ जाते हैं। The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) is a major infrastructure and development project aimed at improving connectivity between China and Pakistan. The project, which was launched in 2013 and started in 2015, involves the construction of a network of highways, railways, pipelines connecting Gwadar port in Pakistan to the northwestern regions of the China. One of them, if we talk about the advantages, one of the main advantages of the CPEC project is its potential to boost economic growth and development in Pakistan. The construction of new infrastructure and the development of new economic zones is expected to create jobs and stimulate economic activity, helping to lift millions of people out of poverty. The project is also expected to have a positive impact on regional trade and connectivity, and making it easier for goods and services to flow between China and Pakistan as well as other countries in the region. However, the CPEC project also faces a number of challenges. Now we are going towards challenges. One of the main challenges is the security situation in the Pakistan, which has been the target of numerous attacks by terrorists and militants, especially in Balochistan. The safety of the workers involved in the construction of the project, as well as the safety of the infrastructure itself, is a major concern. Another challenge is the political and economic stability of Pakistan. The country has a history of political turmoil and economic instability, and there is a risk that these issues could disrupt the progress of the CPEC project. Now, despite these challenges, the future prospects for the CPEC project are positive. The project is expected to play a significant role in the transforming the economies of both China and Pakistan, as well as boosting regional trade and connectivity. The project is also expected to benefit the wide region, as other countries in South Asia and beyond are likely to benefit from increased trade and investment flows as a result of the project. Now come towards the in conclusion. In concluding statement, we can say the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) is a major infrastructure and development project aimed at boosting economic growth and development in Pakistan and the wider region. The project has the potential to bring significant benefits, including increased trade and investment flows, but it also faces a number of challenges, including security and political stability concerns. Despite these challenges, the future prospects for the CPEC project are positive, and it is expected to play a major role in transforming the economies of the China and Pakistan. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.